guys, welcome to Minion Furniture channel. We are high-end furniture manufacturer in China. Through the previous episode, I bet most of you are curious about our showroom. Today, I'm gonna walk you around. Here we go, let's go! Through the display window, you'll find lots of different chairs. This one is made of teddy and this one is made of leather. Follow me and I will show you something here. On the wall, we display some related certificates like ISO 9001, ISO 14001 is not a joke. We are stringent about quality and the use of eco-friendly materials, which is absolutely compliant with international standards. There's a little restaurant here. Oh, I'm so hungry now. Let's eat. Alright, follow me. We'll go to the next area. Let's see what we have here. Wow, I love it. It's so cozy. Well, I have this one at home. I've become a sleepyhead. Okay, let's stop the filming today and then I will take a nap first. Wow. Follow me and we have something else here. It looks like a snow monster. The entire body is wrapped by the soft fluffy. Actually, it got an adorable name. Let me try. It's so awesome. Great resilient and super comfy. We employ high-density foams for an ultimate lounging experience. It's good to have an armchair in the bedroom. 3 to 4-seater sofa is terrific for spacious home. Okay, I got this one. Okay, let's go. I'll show you something special. Take a look at this. This is an arch-shaped sofa made from fabric. And look at the stitch. We check out the stitch here is neat and sleek. Wow, I love this one. It's the candle. This is candle holder. Look at the end table. It's made from marble and with clear texture. Wow, I love this accent color armchair. Oh, I want to take this home. Can I take this home? And now we'll go to another area. Let's see what we have here. Very familiar feeling, right? This is the same style with the Blackpink Jennies. Simply, it's like piles of bubbles holding together. And that's the inspiration coming from. Sit in comfort and ease, like on a cloud. And this time we use white fabric. However, if you are the big fan of Jenny's Blue, we can customize for you and send me a message. Okay guys, I will show you something else. Wow, what a surprise. We got an outdoor chair here. Oh, I saw something else here. Arch-shaped couch. Take a look at the armrest. You can put your hands here and you can lie down. Another teddy sofa here. It's good for spacious home. If you have big home, I would recommend this arch-shaped sofa for you. Oh, we got another marble chair here. Wow, take a look at the bling texture. How did they make that? Okay, I have idea now. Next episode, I will take you to the factory to see the artisan. Right, we got a marble dining table here. Take a look at it. Clear texture, flowing lines. It's so elegant. It's easy to clean. Just wipe up with clean towel. Welcome to make an appointment and visit our factory. Drop your comments and next time I will show you the outdoor furniture area. Thanks for watching. See you in next. Bye.